Hey friends, welcome back to the Maple Leaf Barn. I'm Libby, and today it snowed again because it's February and that's what it does. Anyways, I have a Galentine's Day event today, and I just thought I would take you along with me and show you what I brought and how it went and all those things. So if that's of any interest, stay tuned and keep watching. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're returning, thanks for hanging out with us on our flower farm here in Southwest Ohio. It's so fun today to be able to support other small businesses owned by women, and so that's what we're doing today with this little Galentine's Day pop-up. We have all kinds of vendors, and this is a friend of mine's salon. She owns it. She's a small business owner, and I just love that. So let's get into it.
Hair by Root Salon is downtown Milford, Ohio, and if you're local to Cincinnati, be sure to check them out. It's in full view of the road, so it's a great location for us to have a pop-up event and market to drop-in attendees in addition to those who planned on attending. Right off the bat, attendees can grab some beverages and then start making their rounds. The music and the excited vendors create this super cute, positive environment that's really pumped up, and it just makes it fun for everyone to participate and welcome attendees. I grabbed a table in the front close to when you walk in the door, and it's also across from the photo booth station, so I felt like that was a really great option. I brought a variety of different blooms so people could choose and make 3 different sizes based on their financial availability. I had an $8 option, $12 option, and a $20 option. I knew that I needed to get rid of most of my roses that were in my wholesale order from Valentine's Day. So I created a recipe that would fit both of my needs and our clients' needs. And I kind of just thought about what people might be willing to pay if they were just dropping in for a little Valentine's Day party, considering that some people might have already gotten flowers this same week. So I wanted to just make sure it was priced appropriately. I feel like a lot of times people go to events like this and they just walk around the tables and they want to buy something, but they really can't afford to just buy something from every table. So I wanted to make sure that we had a really small option that if they wanted to go ahead and support our booth, they could, but not spend a ton of money. This event was from 1 to 4 on a Saturday afternoon, and it was great to see a constant stream of guests flowing through. Sometimes pop-up events can be slow, but these vendors spent the last month publicizing this event to the community online or just by word of mouth. So there was a great turnout. There were all kinds of different vendors, including permanent jewelry, boutiques, bakeries, and other women-owned businesses like realtors and therapists. Let's go through my recipe for the different sized bouquets. Sometimes it can be really difficult to price things out, but you just have to figure out what you need to make in a profit margin and what you think that your community is willing to spend on a certain sized bouquet. For the mini $8 bouquet, I included 4 roses, 2 sprigs of greenery, and 2 sprigs of filler. For the $12 bouquet, I included 6 roses, 2 sprigs of greenery, and 3 filler. For the $20 bouquet, I included 8 roses, 3 greenery, and 3 filler, and 2 of the fancy textures, either a daisy or a thistle, or 2 of one kind. I was able to use the vase with the daisies and thistles dedicated to the $20 bouquets to sell actually more of those $20 bouquets by saying that, oh yeah, every bouquet will have roses, but if you want the daisies and the thistles, that's only for the $20 bouquet. And by doing this, I actually was able to sell more of those $20 bouquets than I thought I would be able to. Okay, let's talk about the supplies that I brought with me. The table and chair was provided by the salon, although I did stand up quite a bit of the experience, and I recommend standing for most pop-up vendor experiences. I had my handy dandy black tablecloth that goes with me to all of our farmers markets or pop-up events. I also had a little printed off sign that I used and I made in Canva, and that went inside a little plastic paper holder that explained the prices and the recipes. This event, I decided to bring a variety of different style glass vases to house the flowers. Under the table, I also had a bucket of roses to replace the ones on the table as they got low, and another bucket of water for transportation. I also had a black crate that I got from Costco, or like this one linked in the description below. It's really helpful to have crates around for a number of reasons. And I also transported everything from my car to the store using an incredible wagon that I highly recommend you investing in. If it's just one person transporting everything for setup, this wagon comes in handy big time. I used my Square Bluetooth card reader for all the purchases. And I had essentials for bouquet making, including a bunch of rubber bands, flower snips, scissors, stapler, backup staplers, craft paper, ribbon, and our business logo stickers. This was a really great event, and we nearly sold out of all of our flowers, which provided us quite a bit of profit that helped offset some of the costs related to Valentine's Day. If you want to check out our video on our Valentine's Day experience, be sure to look at the link below in the description. I was really excited that we made several $100s just in a couple of hours, in addition to connecting with a bunch of new people in our community. We also got a few referrals for weddings and event planners. Doing these events is a great way to get connected in the community, and to use them for marketing purposes is usually what we do. We don't usually go into things like this to really make a lot of money, but we use it as a way to just meet new people and get our name out there. Of course, you have to take a lot of promotional videos and pictures, and so I used this opportunity that I had without kids around to make sure that I was able to take some fun photos and videos. And I feel like this was such a great event, and I can't wait to do something like this again in the future.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.